Next, we're going to be shooting and reviewing the Winchester 25 Auto 50 grain full metal jacket bullets. This is what they look like. We're going to be shooting these out of a Phoenix Arms 25 caliber handgun. It holds 6+1, so we'll be shooting 6 at a time. And this new was $17 for 50. So you got 50 of them in here, and it was $17. Alright, let's see how they shoot. Alright, this is the new 25 ammo. We're going to be shooting 5 at a time. Just because I can track the groups better that way. We'll go for the right arm. Left arm. This is still the new 50 grain 25 ammo. Alright, I just got done shooting the Winchester 50 grain full metal jacket 25 auto bullets, and there's 50 in here, and overall I only had one failure to feed, and that was it out of 50 shots out of this with this ammo. Very accurate. They pretty much all shot the same, so very consistent, and I was happy with it. I mean, there was no issues whatsoever with the new 50 grain ammo. So Winchester 25 auto 50 grain full metal jacket ammo, 50 in here, $17. Very good, very good. And we were using the Phoenix Arms 25 caliber Raven.